Kadai ke SPINE Network Jong ke Kasih Jantia Presbyterian Synod pdeng. Ke SPINE Network kadai ke wei na ke jing terekam jong ke Media Center jong ke Kasih Jantia Presbyterian Synod pdeng. Ke kentin SPINE kadai ke jing penyo salang yaki santeliki alfabet SPINE kibadon ki kentin kibakit jingwot hak kentin paring kumni Synod pdeng, Initiative to Nurture and Empower. Ke SPINE Network kadai ke channel jong ke Kasih Jantia Synod pdeng kebanwan ra yaki program kiba pair hak social media platform ki program kiban ai jing hikai kiban ai mensim kiban penklannya ke jinge kan longru karensan bagi kon samla jong ke Synod ken saya kisap bekerpang kibau belai ula penkup lagi bahkan longru karensan ban yalap yau Jesus Christ syaka bertai bad ban pendan burom yau belai barong.
The recommendation of the Executive Committee was placed and discussed at the Biennial General Assembly at Chatlang, Mizoram Synod on the 1st to 5th May 2024. The Biennial General Assembly resolved unanimously to grant the Provisional Synod the status of full-fledged Synod. The Provisional Synod acquired a plot of land measuring 32,195 square feet at Umpernai, East Castles, with a purpose to construct the Synod office.
Latung yaka Kasih Jantia Synod pdeng daka Presbyterian Church of India kom ke Synod Bapura haka praterik u September adza arpusal. Pat komta kom ke Synod haka jing sedang banyai lenti jongka haka jing syakri yau blai bat yaki bangit nalor pat ki wei ki jing trai jongka kala tau yaki lad pan wan syakmat ban ai yaka jing syakri lengba ke social media ublai unkurku yaka Synod pdeng haka jing trai jongka bada ka jing syakri ke jongka yau blai bada ka gospel u Jesus Christ ublai unkurku yaka Synod pdeng bada ublai unkurku yapi baro ki bepet bet ibakni yaka SPINE Network kublai shibo.